degrees 16, then 10, Mach 24, with me 28 left, clear land.
Clear land, 28 left, Shamrock 1, Lima Kilo.
Understood. Continue standing left approach.
Windshear going around this gas 775.
Either 775, essential traffic is to your 2 o'clock at 3 miles, 737 turning northbound.
First one go around.
Either 775, contact radar frequency 132.580.
132.580, your gas 775.
Ryanair 17 November Echo service in check 210 degrees 13 min 8 Mach 23 runway 28 left your clear land.
Clear land runway 28 left Ryanair 17 November Echo.